Okay, we're going to go through the guided or the independent practice on page 391. The first part says identify terms, like terms, coefficients, constants. So remember what I do first. I see this is all addition, so I don't have to worry about anything. So the terms for this, terms are underlined. I have for black here. So the terms would be 2, 3a, and 9a. Okay. The like terms would be 3a and 9a. And then 2 would be by itself. So 3a and 9a are combined and 2 is by itself. The constant or the coefficients are what are in front of the variables. So 3 and 9. And then the constants are by themselves, that'd be 2. Okay. Same thing for this one. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna make this all addition by rewriting it as 7 plus negative 5x plus 1. The terms are all 3 of these, so 7, negative 5x, and 1. Those are all terms. The like terms are 7 and 1, right? And then negative 5x is a term that's by itself. There's no other x in there. The coefficient would be negative 5, right? What's with the x? And the constants are 7 and 1. You could try the same thing for the last one, making sure to write it out 9 plus negative z plus 3 plus negative 2z, okay? Again, it's really helpful if you change it like this. You don't have to, but just make sure you don't forget negatives otherwise. Okay, write each expression in the simplest form. So in these cases, the first one, there's all addition, so you don't have to change anything. Remember that n, it means 1n. So 1n plus 5n, you just add the numbers. 1 plus 5 is 6, and you keep the n. So it's 6n. Remember, if you have 1 penny and 5 pennies, right? That would be 6 pennies. You don't add the n's together or anything, double. You just leave it like that. 12c minus, it's 12c minus 1c, right? That's 1c. 12 minus 1, 11c, okay? Last but not least, in these types of problems, remember, it's easiest if you write everything out as addition. So it would be negative 4j plus negative 1 plus negative 4j plus 6. Group together the variables and the constants. Okay, so it would actually be negative 4j plus negative 4j. See how there's 2 negative 4j's, which would actually be 4 plus 4 is 8, negative 8j. Okay, making sure you can see that. And then group together the constants, negative 1 plus 6, negative 1 plus a positive 6. That's 6 minus 1 equals 5. And since 6 is bigger and it's positive 5. So then you would just add those two pieces together. Doesn't matter what order. You could put negative 8j plus 5. You could or you could even write it as 5 minus 8j. You see how you could do that too? They're the same thing. So that is how you solve those problems. I'd suggest continuing on this page and the next page to practice, and you can go online to the workbook for step-by-step solutions.